Today I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Abhibus step by step so you can quickly access the app inside ChatGPT and make your workflow much easier. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and go to the official website. Once you're on the homepage, look to the bottom left corner and click on your profile, then open Settings. This is where ChatGPT keeps all of your account and app connection options. Next, inside the Settings menu, click on Apps. This section is used to manage and connect different apps and services with ChatGPT. After that, look for Add More and click it. This will open the app directory where you can search for the specific app you want to connect. Now use the search bar and type in your application name. In this case, type Abhibus. As soon as the app appears in the results, click on Abhibus to open its connection page. Here you'll see the option to connect the app to ChatGPT. Click Connect to begin the linking process. ChatGPT may ask you to confirm the connection one more time, so go ahead and click Connect again if prompted. This is a normal security step, and it helps authorize the app properly. Once the connection is complete, you'll see that Abhibus is now available inside ChatGPT. From here, click on New Chat to start using it. This lets you begin a fresh conversation with the app connected and ready to go. To finish, click the plus icon in ChatGPT, then choose More and select Abhibus from the list. And that's it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT to Abhibus. Now you can access it directly from your ChatGPT workspace whenever you need it, which makes everything faster and more convenient. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.